guys. Okay, we have another tutorial here. This one is all about how a species gets to survive. So we've talked about this a little bit before, that the whole idea of natural selection and evolution is that we are encouraging species to survive through adaptations. So if something changes in your environment, whether it's fast or slow, and you can't keep up with that change, you're going to die. And we call that extinction. When something really big happens, an entire population gets wiped out, it's an extinction event. We see that in all types of scary movies where they worry about human extinctions. It's the same idea. So this tutorial is going to go over a couple different ways that this thing can happen. Now, to deal with this, you are going to click on the link that says Do or Die Extinction in a Changing World. A lot of you seem to be missing this important step that you have to go to the tutorial. It'll open up a tutorial like this one. It should look really familiar. We've done a bunch of these now. It's got listening and practice problems. You get graded for the accuracy of your practice problems. So you want to make sure that you're actually reading and listening to all the slides so that you get the most points possible. So you're going to be watching, listening. And so we can hear him going through and moving through everything. When you get to a practice session, I can go to the practice section because I've already done it. Now I just clicked everything and just put it in there to make it finish so I could copy paste it for you. But the practices you need to actually get correct. And then you're going to do a screen capture. Make sure you include this part down here that says correct or incorrect. If you got it incorrect, do it again until you get it correct. Then we're going to go to PowerPoint. You opened up the PowerPoint with the button here. Mine says in progress. You're supposed to say My Documents. Make sure you log in. You'll get a big box that you have to scroll down. You'll have to sign in on there. Use your school email. Make sure you're spelling your school email correctly. If you still can't do that, there's usually a little button in the top corner that says, Can't see your document. Click on that. There's a lot of steps that can help you to make sure you can see this PowerPoint. Here it shows you exactly what I want to see. I want to see your answer practice problem. So practice 1, can you guess when they disappeared? That's this slide. You screen capture it or snip it or take a picture of it, however you want to get it. Make sure it's this whole square, including the incorrect or correct, hopefully, square. And you paste it here. Then you go to the tutorial and you do the next two. And you go all the way up to practice number 8. See, that's all the way over here. Practice number 8. If it's hard to understand the talking or your computer doesn't have working speakers, then back in here, there is a link to all the stuff that they say, but written in Spanish also. So if you're having trouble understanding, it gives you everything you need in Spanish and English. Once you finish, you'll have a submit button. You click submit. I get your PowerPoint. I go through it. You get your points, and we all move on very happily, except for the animals who didn't manage to move on and ended up dying with extinction. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you can't open the PowerPoint and you've already talked to me about it, then you are going to need to paste all 8 pictures into one email and email it to me. Hope you have a very good day. Let me know if you need any help. We are going to figure out how to close this video.